Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights and a connected display. This saves time. Once ready, press Win+X and open Device Manager. Do it now. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters and Monitors. This is where Windows lists graphics hardware. If you see generic names, make sure to right-click and choose Properties to view details. You're doing this to confirm whether a VGA-compatible GPU or integrated graphics is present, which determines the next steps for drivers and connections. Once in Properties, switch to the Details tab and pick Hardware IDs. This gives specific vendor and device identifiers. If you see strings with VEN or DEV or explicit VGA terms, you've found the VGA-compatible controller. Make note of the vendor and device ID so you can match drivers. If the adapter is absent, click Action right arrow scan for hardware changes, then reboot and check BIOS/UEFI display settings. Sometimes integrated VGA is disabled there, which explains the missing entry. You finish by installing the correct driver. Use Device Manager Update Driver or download the exact driver from the vendor using the ID you noted. Once done, reboot and verify the VGA output under Monitors. If Windows still doesn't show VGA, power off, reseat the cable and test with another monitor or adapter. Make sure BIOS isn't forcing another display. If problems persist, boot to safe mode, uninstall suspect drivers, then reinstall the proper driver. That often clears conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.